Hi, good afternoon, and welcome back again to our channel. So, today we're going to talk about groups and teamwork and how you work effectively as a member in a project. So, there are different steps that one has to take when one is working in a project. What is a project? A project is something that it is a concept where a group of people are put together to come together to work in unison and to achieve a common goal. So, what is the difference between a group of people and a team of people? A group could be a whole lot of people that enters onto an aeroplane and they're going to a common destination, but each have their own different agendas. A team is when the agendas are interlinked and interdependent on one another. When one works as a team, a lot of skills, different skills, are then utilized. People with different knowledge and different skills come together in order for a project to commence and they take it through to completion. Now, there are certain tasks that are involved, and these are set by your project manager. So we have different people on different authority levels that are involved in project management. You would get a project manager and you would have a project charter. The project charter would give you the scope in which you need to work with. You have different stakeholders that are involved in the project. Now, who are the stakeholders, you would ask? Stakeholders are anyone that is related to the project as such. You would get a project sponsor. Who is a project sponsor? A project sponsor is that person or persons that actually finances the project. And then you get the team members, that's you and I. So there's different types of people that are involved with different strengths that come together. So the project manager then has 4 stages in which he puts together this project. So the first stage is called the forming stage, where everybody comes together in unison. And the second stage is called the storming stage, is where everybody then sits together and they storm out the problem areas, and the different authority levels are then granted to the team members. And the third stage is the norming stage, where everything is carried out and everybody now has their allocated tasks to do. And the final stage is your performing stage, which is then you go out and you do what you need to do. Now, for the project manager, he has to adopt 4 styles of management here. When the team comes together, he has to then adopt the authoritative style of management. In the storming stage, he adopts the consultative type of management. In your norming stage, he then adopts your participative style of management. And the final stage is your performing stage, which he adopts your encouraging, where he encourages the staff, the employees, and the team members of that project to then take the project over to completion. So as you can see, there is like a lot of work that is put in order for a project to go to completion, and a lot of interdependency and trust, integrity, and all these points is very relevant in order for this project to be successful. So all those that are embarking on a project, I wish you all well. And just remember that when you're working on a project and you work as a team, the goal becomes one for each and every member of that team. And remember, trust, transparency, accountability, and responsibility are the traits that are needed for you to be an effective team member. Goodbye and thank you.